Greetings and mabuhay. Hi, I am John Miguel Galan, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Section 3D. So, what is my reaction in the first video? My reaction in the first video is, which is, tourism industry help a lot on economic growth, and also help it generates more job. So, marami talaga ang natutulungan ni tourism industry dahil marami siyang natulungan at napagrow yung isang bansa. So, how would you see yourself after graduation? So, I may see myself as a frontliner or tour coordinator or magiging manager ng isang hotel. So, why strategic management subject is very important? So, as a tourism management, strategic management subject is very important because siguro tuturuan niya ako para maging flexible and how to make a good decision in the industry, also how to be work on the harsh na workplace, and also siguro sa akin makapag-grow as a employee. So, what is your reaction to the movie Arwanda? My reaction to the movie Arwanda, which is yung the main character yun is yung para siyang hotel manager na ginampanan niya na talaga lahat kahit napaka hirap yung sitwasyon, which is may genocide, merong terrorism, pero kahit ano man nung nangyari, pa rin niya, hindi niya iniwan yung tao sa hotel. So, pinagano niya parang parang manager, hindi niya hayaan yung mga tao, yung mga tawan niya. So, lahat talaga ay niya ng magiging kasama niya at tutulungan niya sa hirap at kung ginawa. So, what is movie became inspirational about strategic management? So, siguro yung may kukulik sa strategic management yung movie Arwanda, which is yung paano ginampanan ng bida yung pagiging isang hotel manager or pagiging owner, kung paano niya gagalawin yung hotel, kung paano i-manage, which is yung paano siya bumili ng pagkain, paano niya matutulungan yung tao, paano makatakas, at paano niya ma-iligtas yung mga and also hindi niya pinabayaan yung mga tauhan niya, and also yung mga tao, dahil as a ng hotel manager, pagiging leader na hindi iniiwan, dapat talaga isama-sama at iisa lang ang hangarin, yun ay yung maging maligtas at yung maunlad yung trabaho. Yun lang. Thank you.